Hi, my name is Tiffany Lee, and I am the Product Marketing Manager for AutoCAD. Here to talk to you about the AutoCAD Including Specialized Toolsets Productivity Studies. The key question I wanted to ask is, what would you do if you had more time? I'm sure we can each think of a million things we could do with more time. Of course, we could use more time to relax. Or maybe we could get some important work done. Or we could have time to collaborate with coworkers. The list goes on and on. The point is that time is actually our most valuable resource, and yet we never seem to have enough of it. Our customers feel the same time crunch. They spend hours and hours drawing and designing amazing things in AutoCAD under hard deadlines. And even though they're highly skilled, their tasks can be repetitive, doing the same actions over and over again. That's where the specialized toolsets come in, because they are custom built for specific industries. Each toolset automates tasks that used to take hours. For example, in basic AutoCAD, inserting a window could take 6 steps or more, but with the architecture toolset, you can cut that time in half, doing the same action in only 3 steps. And because time is money, cutting that time in half is real value for our customers. We commission productivity studies to show how much time users can save by using specialized toolsets. We focus first on the top toolsets based on user base: architecture, electrical, and mechanical. And the results were incredible. The study showed that users could see up to a 60% overall productivity gain when doing common architecture tasks using the architecture toolset versus doing the same tasks in basic AutoCAD. That's 60% of your time back. A project that took 5 weeks can now take just 2 weeks. Think about what you or a customer could do with 3 weeks of extra time. The amount of time you can save increased with the mechanical toolset, where you could gain 65% of your time back using the toolset versus basic AutoCAD when doing common mechanical tasks. And for the electrical toolset, the productivity gain was a staggering 95%. We hope that with these productivity studies, we can help our customers work smarter, not harder, and give them back a lot of valuable time. Here are some items we created that we hope can support your work with existing and potential customers. The full productivity studies for architecture, electrical, and mechanical can be found on OTS and DAM. They are over 20 pages each, customer-facing, in English only, and are primarily used as gated content for lead generation. The findings of the studies are summarized for sales reps in these cheat sheets, which are for internal use only. Please reference the cheat sheets for the data mentioned earlier in this presentation. The cheat sheet has also been made into a customer-facing highlights document. The content is the same, but images have been added so that each toolset highlights document is 4 pages long. These highlights are localized, and we encourage you to share them with customers. We've also made updates to the existing customer presentation with new slides that show a summary of the benefits of the architecture toolset, the electrical toolset, and the mechanical toolset. Additional Work Faster slides have been added to include more examples of how using a toolset can save you time versus using basic AutoCAD alone. And lastly, these videos compare the step-by-step differences between doing the same task in the toolset versus in basic AutoCAD. There is 1 video per toolset included in the study, clearly illustrating how completing a task with the toolset can be faster than with basic AutoCAD. Please take advantage of these assets, which are live right now on OTS and DAM. Be sure to talk to customers about AutoCAD including specialized tool sets and the valuable time savings they can gain. Thank you so much for your time, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.